sir. Am I audible, sir, properly?
Yes, ma'am.
It is just few seconds. It is live on YouTube. I will share the link also. So good afternoon to all of you. I am Dr. Shubha Dwivedi, Associate Professor, Department of Biotechnology, IIMT University. Welcome you all in today's event. This is the matter of great pleasure that IIMT University with the cell of IIC along with Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, RG and IIPM, Government of India, Nagpur, under National Intellectual Property Awareness Mission, is going to organize an online workshop on intellectual property right and patent design filing. I welcome Dr. Pankaj Borkar, Deputy Controller of Patents and Design, IPO Mumbai, RG NII PM, Nagpur. And I welcome all the authorities of IIMT University. I welcome Vice Chancellor of IIMT University, Professor Dr. Deepa Sharma ma'am, for guiding this intellectual property right workshop. She is the chairperson of IP cell of IIMT University. In today's globally competitive environment, intellectual property has placed itself on a base in the context of economic growth and is becoming increasingly important. Intellectual property is the fuel that powers the engine of prosperity, fostering inventions and innovations. The increasing significance of intangible assets in the global economy is forcing business organizations to actively manage their IP as a key driver for building and sustaining their competitive advantage and achieving superior performance. IPR are now being used not only as a tool to protect creativity and generate revenue, but also to build strategic alliances for socio-economic and technological growth. It is important for anyone to protect his or her ideas. For entrepreneurs, it is essential to safeguard this investment. IP systems can be critical in helping new ventures transform their innovation potential and creativity into market value and competitiveness. IPR can be used to protect the technology, brand name, designs, and creativity behind the concept. It gives a creator sole ownership of the concept in a similar way to owning physical properties like a house or car. Owners can control the use of their intellectual property to gain financial reward. We have very erudite expert with us, and definitely it would be wonderful experience to listen him. So once again, congratulations to the participants who are among us, and I just request from here also to kindly share this link as much as you can. Thank you so much. I'm inviting Professor Pankaj Borkar, Deputy Controller of IP. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you very much, madam. Can I share my screen, madam? Kindly give access to me. Madam, you are muted.
Yes, sir, I am giving you the access.
Yes. Yes.
You can
So
share,
first of all, very good afternoon to all. Respected Vice Chancellor, all the faculty members, all the deans, all the professors, all the students, very good afternoon to all of you. I would like to welcome all for this program, and definitely I will thank the organizer for organizing this event. And this is a very great opportunity for you to learn about the intellectual property rights and various important aspects, which I will tell you in my coming slides. So I will share my screen, and definitely you will get some, I will try to explain some of the important points about the intellectual property rights. Madam, is this PPT is visible?
Yes, sir, it is visible, sir.
Yes. So those who are the student, please understand, you can make your career in this field also. If you are the science graduate, engineering graduate, you can become a registered patent agent. Okay, you can pass for this exam. Yesterday we did that exam, and there are a lot of opportunities in various industries like valuers, like analysts. So definitely you can choose as one of the career option also. As a university or institute, I just want to request them that there should be some IP policy and there should be some IP cell. I think there is already there, but you can enhance their activities like IP fair, and you can include their negotiations or etc. in that IP policies. I would like to give the organization structure. Our office is under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, under DPIIT. So under that, we have the Office of Controller General of Patents, Designs, Trademark, Geographical Indication. All offices are under the Office of Controller General. So we have different offices like a patent office. So we have patent office situated at 4 locations like Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai. Jurisdiction wise, these offices are divided. Similarly, trademark offices also at jurisdiction wise divided: Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Ahmedabad. So according to jurisdiction, they can file, the applicant can file the application. So we will explain you later on. Design wing again. So this is again the design similar to patent. You can file a design application as per the jurisdiction like Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai. But its examination office is at Kolkata. Or rightly I can say you can directly file to Kolkata office. It will be good. Geographical indication registry, that office is at Chennai only. So you can file only at Chennai office if there is some GI application from your region. But it is a not personal right, it is a right for particular society. You have to form a society. Like patent, design, trademarks, okay, copyright. These are the individual right or group rights. But this GI only, it is a group. Copyright application, you can file application at Delhi office only. And semiconductor, integrated circuit layout and design registry, this office is only at Delhi. So you can file the application related to any chips or circuit, any integrated circuit is there, any semiconductor layout is there. If you design any such thing, then definitely you can file to Delhi office. And last is our Nagpur office, that is a training academy. We are giving various trainings on intellectual property rights, short-term programs, long-term program for public. Like we have already started 2 programs parallelly. So similarly, one international program definitely will be started very soon in coming 2 weeks. So registrations are available. WIPO India Summer School. Those who are very interested, you must join this program. It is an online program for 2 weeks. It's the international level program. This is our offices. If you can see, there is our 4 offices, and this is the International Searching Authority. If you file any PCT application, it will be examined here. This is our Nagpur Training Center. If you are very interested to get the information about further details about IP, or you want to get trained, you can join our office link, and there are a lot of courses available. You can see there. And this is our social media account, RGNIIPM, Facebook and Twitter. So you can get various updates about our fee structure, trainings, etc. are available here. Even WIPO programs are also conducting many times. So we are posting here. So a lot of information is available. This is our office website, ipindia.gov.in. You can see here. I will show you this page, ipindia.gov.in. You can see the first page of the website. You can see here patent, design, trademarks, geographical indication, etc. Copyright, you can file from here. SICLDR. If you click here, you can file application from SICLDR, Semiconductor Integrated Circuit Layout Design Registry. So even the online program is also available. I told you this international program is there, which will be scheduled very soon, this month only. So even the e-filing of facility is available. You need not require to go to our offices. Everything you can do from online. There is a comprehensive public search option is available, and definitely there are journals are available. You can see here. Those who are the faculty, they may know that what is the importance of journal. So whose time period is over, that is the publication time is over, like 18 months, or those who file early publication requests, we publish all such information for patents in these journals. Design journals are also available. After the acceptance, designs are published, and then trademark journals are also available. So you can access this information from our office website, which is very, very helpful to all of you. So if you click this website here, comprehensive filing, you can get this page. You can file application online sitting at your home. Even public search is option is available. Status is also available. Expired patents are also available. So if you see the application status, you can get any patent details. Those who are published. Okay. So for example, this application is expedite examination. That is Tatkal examination. So they immediately file application. They immediately file for Tatkal publication. It was open to public. So whatever the forms has been filed by that applicant is open to all of you. So India is also one of the country who is showing all the information which is filed in our office. So definitely it will helpful to you that what are the documents and what type of forms and how the specification can be drafted related to your patent application. Okay, so it is very, very important to you. Some government achievements, I just want to inform you that what the government is doing for you. Just one of the important thing is 80% fee concession for institutes and universities for filing till examination, till grant and post grant also. This is a very, very important. I think many people don't know. Now we are granting 80% fee concession. Like patent filing, the earlier cost for filing is 8,000 for institutes or university. I think you know that. And examination fees will be 20,000. Publication fees are 12,000. It was very high. So government has decided and they reduced the cost specifically for institute. Now you have to pay for filing only 1600 online filing fees, 1600 for filing, and examination will be only for 4,000. So these are the two costs which you can do for filing of patent or examination of the patent application. So it's very now cost effective, and so that we expect that all the institutes and university can take advantage. And there is always you can file application online. Only there is a, if you file online application, there is a 10% reduction in fees if you compare with the physical filing. And definitely you can file expedite examination by filing form 18A and early publication. So definitely if you are very interested to get patent very early, so there is an option available to you that you can file expedite examination. That is a Tatkal examination. So in spite of that, we can see that these are the approximate figures. So if we see the graphical approach, the filing trend in patents and design is not improved much. If we compare with the other countries like China, filing is 14 lakhs and other filing is 5 lakhs. Suppose if you see American, Japan, 3 lakhs. So Indian filing is last year only around 66,000 only. Similarly, in design also, if you see, very few filing, 22,000 filing is there. So our filing rate is very, Indian people are filing less due to awareness problem. That is due to awareness issue. People don't know about much about this intellectual property rights and what is this and how to protect all these intellectual property. So basically, you must understand what is the intellectual property. So intellectual property, before that you must understand the properties. So properties are divided into tangible and intangible property. Now what is tangible? Tangible means you can measure. Okay, like we have car, we have buildings, okay, you have some mobile phone. These are the tangible property. This intellectual property is intangible property. You cannot give exact valuation. I will give some example. Suppose you have some painting, or if you write any book, you cannot give exact valuation of your painting or your books, how many copies will be sold in market. Okay, so it is a like an intangible. If you did any invention, so how much royalty you will get if it is commercialized? That's why it is an intangible property. Okay, so basically intellectual property is a intangible property. So I am not going to definition of that. So what is basically intellectual property means anything which is created by human mind. So like any invention which is created by human mind, any expressions which is created by human mind, or any ideas, okay, which can be protected by patents, okay, which can be protected by inventions. If you protect any logo, okay, all these are your creation. If you have very good design of your keyboard, I am giving the example of mouse. So if you have very good design for mouse, so it can be protected by intellectual property via designs. So whose creation is this? These are the creations of human. So any human creations can be protected under intellectual property. So which can be like ideas, expressions, etc., etc. So why it is important? You must know what is the importance of intellectual property. So first you understand duplication. So research, when you are doing any kind of research, like in students or faculties, you are doing some research work. Okay, many times you are publishing all the research work in various journals. So we say that don't do that. If it is patentable, please analyze that. Okay, and when the students are doing research, please utilize the database which is available by the patent offices, like USPTO, like Google Patent, like European Patent Office, like Indian Patent Office. Utilize those published patents, utilize those expired patents, and if it is already done, so why you are doing same the work? Enhance your work. You may get various data, various drawings, various details about that invention. Okay. Then next is, it is an indicator for achievements. So nowadays every university, every institute, they are asking faculties how many patents, how many designs, how many copyrights, etc. In private, it is almost mandatory when you are working in R&D. So it provides a reward as an exclusive right. So many times you are the owner of the property. Like you can get the rights like make, use, manufacture, etc. when you have owned that property. And due to IPR, please understand you are getting these kind of new technologies in market, and you can earn royalties and profits also due to this IPR. And definitely, if you protect this IP, you don't have fear in your mind. When you are doing any project work, there will be always a fear in your mind. Somebody will copy my invention, somebody will imitate my invention. Okay, so there will be always some in your mind. But once you protect, there will be nothing to worry. Okay, mostly that property can be protected and nobody can infringe. You can prevent competitors also. Okay, so once you protect, so you don't have any fear. Due to IPR, you can expand your market share, new markets you can get, valuation will increase, like institute value or university value will increase once you file more and more patents or designs, etc. Or market value, definitely those who file the patent or designs or etc., their market value, their resume will increase. Your valuation will increase in market. You are more employable. If you are the students, you are getting you will get chance to employ. That means those who are taking interview, you are filing so many patents. So definitely he will analyze that he is the very like sound person, having knowledgeable person like that. So I will try to explain about this one page information about this various important IPs like patent, design, trademark, GI, copyright, semiconductors. Okay. So patent is basically for inventions. Patent is basically for inventions. So if you file a patent application, okay, it can be for inventions only. Now, what is invention? How you will get the patent? So for example, if you develop any improvement in product, any improvement in device, any improvement in process or any method, okay. So what kind of improvement? That is, improvement means if you are giving some solution to the problem, there are some problem and you are giving some solution to the problem, you are giving some solution, that is a technological improvement, either it can be cost effective like that. So if you give such kind of solution, definitely you can go for patenting. Okay, basically inventions can be patented, but for that there should be some device or there should be some process. So either improvement in process or improvement in any device, it can be patented. Okay, so like I am giving this example, like this is the somebody has developed this this device which can be fitted on gas cylinder. Okay, so this device, somebody has identified the problem in gas, that how much gas available, you cannot measure the pressure of the gas. So somebody has invented this device to pressure gauge device to measure the pressure of the gas. Once upon a time, it is a prior art, but I am giving example. Somebody has given this problem to the solution. So it is a technical solution. So we can say that this is a innovation which can be protected by patenting. But for the patent, you must know that it should be new, it should be inventive, it should be industrial application. Patent should be new, it should be inventive, it should be having industrial application, and it should not fall under the non-patentable criteria which set by the office as per the section 3 and 4 of the Patent Act. So you will get patent for 20 years. So basically patent is for 20 years you will get for inventions. Now what is the difference between patent and design? Design is nothing but the outer configuration of the product. Okay, so that the product can be made beautiful, to attractive. For that, that product should be, that design should be new design. Your work should be original work. So for example, if you, this is the mobile I am giving example in front of you. If you change the shape of the mobile or any configuration, any pattern. So if you design, for example, this diamond shape or any new shape if you are giving to the mobile, like this selfie, if you see the selfie cameras are there or pop-up cameras, this if you can see. So such kind of, if you are changing the shapes, so it can be a new design. Okay, so basically first criteria for design is it should be to make the product new, attractive, beautiful. Okay, and new is required, your original work is required, and it should be applied to the finished article. That is the important thing. So basic difference between patent and design, please understand, patent is for inventions. To get patented, it should be any improvement in apparatus or any improvement in process. So any technological improvement can be patented. And if you do any change of shape, like this keyboard, if you have a new version of keyboard, okay, not version, I can say new design of the keyboard, which looks attractive. So you can file a design application. So like patent, you will get protection up to 20 years. Design, you can get protection up to 15 years. 10 plus 5. Now what is trademarks? We will see the in details. Trademark is for word, logo, symbol, etc. Okay, brand name, so that you can distinguish your goods from the others. Like this Bisleri, you can see the lot of bottles are available in market. So mostly you are choosing the Bisleri. Why? There are a lot of bottles are available, but you are asking Bisleri dena. So you are, there is a fixed brand in your mind. Okay, that is a trademark. So you always purchase the brand which is already remembered to you. Okay, like Bata, you mostly use the Bata, or if you go to the any McDonald. Okay, there are other brand names are also many, like Mahindra, Tata. These are some brand name words, name, logos. So these are the trademarks, various trademarks. So you can get the trademark protection up to 10 years, and it can be extend again 10 years, 10 years, 10 years to unlimited. So you can renew a number of times. So if there is a trademark TM, if it is written, you can say that it is trademark applied. If it is written R, then you can say that it is a registered trademark. We will see that. Now, what is the copyright? Copyright is generally for works. Any drama, any song, music, painting, any artistic work, plans, architectural plan, any computer program or any software, algorithms. So you can have any work is like that. So you can protect via copyright right. So up to 60 years, you can get the copyright protection, or more than that also for some other works. And what is the geographical indication? Geographical indications are the place names. Okay, what are the place names? So right, see, I told you that patent, design, trademarks, copyright, these are the individual right. You can get a particular right to one person, or university also, or college also, or group of person also. But this GI cannot be owned by one person, or 2-3 person, or 10 person. So you have to form a society. For example, I am giving that Alfonso mango, or Kolhapuri chappal, or Rasgulla, Bengali Rasgulla, or I can say Agra Petha, Kanjivaram silk. What are these? These are the geographical indications which are particular territory, which are the particular names of particular place. Like Kolhapuri chappal, this is the right which is given to the particular people from Kolhapur area. The manufacturing people, those who are manufacturers of all these slippers, chappals, Kolhapuri chappals, so they get this right. They form the society, they got this right. So that you cannot produce that Kolhapuri chappal at Nagpur. For example, I'm not you at Delhi, at various other places. So only that place can produce that kind of chappal. Agra Petha cannot be produced at Nagpur. Okay, so this right has been given to people from Agra, those who are the manufacturing of that Agra Petha. Okay, so it is a right which is given to particular territory. So you will get this right up to 10 years, and again, like trademark, it can be renewed again and again, unlimited time. So I am giving an example, simple example. See, one IPR you can get in multiple. One product you can protect multiple intellectual property rights. For example, this is the foldable mobile. You can see here. So if somebody has thought this kind of mobile can be foldable. So he had a design on that. So he developed a product design for particular camera which can be foldable. So he filed a design application by filing this only drawing. So you can just see the person who filed only this drawing, he is getting a lot of royalty. So design registry is very, very easy. Anybody can do that. It's very easy. I will tell you how. So you have to just give the photographs or diagrams about the various views of the article to the design office. What is trademark? Like a Samsung, Apple, these names can be protected under trademark. And what are the copyrights? If you purchase any mobile, okay, so there are some, for example, there are some, you will get some booklet. That booklet can be copyrighted. Okay. Now what is patent? In this mobile, if you see n number of technologies are there which can be protected via patent. N number of technologies. Like wireless charger, recent new technology. Fast battery charger, In 15 minutes, your battery will be charged. Bluetooth technology. All these are technological improvement in this mobile. All this can be protected. Virtual keyboard. That is the best invention. So you can see here, if you go to the Google patent, you can see the needle. You can put a paper clip. You will get thousands of patents. So it is not like that. Only one thing, improvement cannot be protected. Small patents, small inventions. If there are improvements are there, and if you satisfy the condition of invention, what is the satisfied definition of invention? It should be new. It should be industrial application. It should be having inventive state. Okay. So if the small improvement are there, it can be protected via patent rights. So you can also protect such kind of patents or designs. Coming to the now design filing, I will tell you how designs can be protected. You can see the designs. This kind of toothbrush, okay. This can be protected under design rights. New kind of toothbrushes are coming with a very attractive designs. You can see here, hand faucets are there. Some slidable mobiles are there. So if you are changing the aesthetic look of the product, okay, which will be looks attractive, okay, definitely you can protect via design rights. Like this, I am giving one more example of the car. Suppose this is the new pattern of the car. If you design a wheel or this also, or if you design a tail light or headlight or bumper or mirror, sunroof, antenna, okay, petrol tank, even handle. So all these you can protect via design right. All the products of this car you can separately protect under design right, or entire car also you can protect under the design rights. So what is design is nothing but the if you applied any shape, configuration, pattern, okay, line, composition of colors, so which should be applied to the article, finish article. That is very important. If you apply, so you can protect design applications. Like I am giving example, this shoe, chappal, pen, pencil, even tiffin box, water bottle also can be protected under design. You know the designer fans are coming in markets. All these can be protected under design rights. Normal fan you are getting in 2,500. A designer fan, if you go to purchase, it will be costing around 5,000 to 8,000 like that. So all the products around you can be protected under design rights. I am giving examples. See, these are the registered designs, old designs which are expired. But even the designer sarees, if you see the designer sarees costing 1 lakh to 10 lakh rupees, you know that all these are protected under the design rights. If you see the jewelries, okay, designer jewelries are also coming in market, textiles, pharma products, all these can be protected under design rights. So I am giving some important points for design. Suppose, okay, now you want to protect this wash basin. This is the wash basin in front of you, and normally you have some oval type of basin. For example, in your home, mostly you may have some this new basin also, but some old house there is having the wash basin having the oval shape. Okay, mostly many houses there is having the old type of basins. Okay, now you develop. For example, this is a new kind of design you develop. So what are the pre-requirements? Just guess it that this is your new design. Okay, this is your new kind of design. You applied this design to a product. Okay, this is the finished product. You apply a new kind of design for this wash basin. So what are the requirements? First is it should be new. It should be new, novel. Second is it should be original work. Your original work should be there. It should be distinguishable from the known design. Like somebody has an oval shape and you develop this new shape. Yes, it is. I can say that all conditions are satisfied, then it should not be contrary to public order or morality. It should not be prejudice to security of India. Okay, then that design should be beautifying the product to make the product attractive, or consumer attractive, appealable. It should be judged by the eye, applied to finished article. So if you satisfied all these conditions, and that name of the design should be consistent with the picture. So if you are satisfying all these conditions, you can apply for the design application. So these are the important points. Those who are attending the today's course, I just want to tell you that I will share a 28-page material with respected madam, those who are coordinating the event. And I request madam to circulate that material to all the attendees so that you need not require to note down all these things, and it is available there. Everything is available there.
Sure, sir, sure.
So there are 32 classes for designs. You just see, if you go to website, there are various classification for like musical instrument, like machines, like clocks, furniture. If you have a design on furniture, 6-number class. So you have to write down class number there. Who can apply for design? Now see, there are 2 classes for design. So either individual can apply. Natural person means 3-4 person can apply jointly, or 10 person also can apply jointly. Okay, this is the first category. The first category fees will be 1,000 rupees only. Suppose institute is filing, so it is coming under this category, 4,000 rupees. Okay. Where to file? As I told you, design application, you can directly file to Kolkata, or you can file as per your jurisdiction also. Better to file Kolkata. So what are the requirements for Thailand design? Fees will be 1,000, and Form 1 and drawing is required. See, these are the 2 documents which are required for filing. It's very easy to file design. You have to file this form number 1 and this figure, this kind of design. So you have to submit 2 documents only. See, fees rupees 1,000. You have to form number 1. You have to fill application number, name, address, class number, name of the article, signature. This is not required. Then representations, that is photographs, views of the various articles, like top view, side view, bottom view of the any bottle, if you design any bottle also, or any articles, and novelty disclaimer statement. So I think this is not required, mostly for other people. So form 1 is required, and this representation sheet is required. So you can write down name, total sheet, numbers, novelty statements, disclaimers. These are the standard signature of the applicant. So you can give various views of the article by giving n number of sheets, 2, 3, 4, 5 sheets you can include. Like this is the perspective view. You can give side view, bottom view of this bottle, okay, or jar. And you can file it. This is the 2 documents which is required for filing. You can file. See that design is filed. All this you can do online. They're not required to go office. See the copyright, as I told you, copyright provides the right, restrict unauthorized copying and reproduction of original work, as I told you. Okay, this is the original work of the author, like book, story, movie, music, painting, photos. Okay, copyright is basically exclusive right which is given to the particular author, composer, so that he can print, he publish and sell his work. And definitely it will protect the author from unauthorized duplication. Okay, no registrations are required for copyright. It's automatic actually, but to sue somebody, that you should have copyright in your hand. Okay, so generally it is denoted by this symbol copyright. See, so various rights are there. Literacy for dramatic work. There are many things are there. We will skip all these things, and these are the fees for which is available in website. I will skip all these things. Trademark, I think it is not required for you people, though that's why I'm skipping. GI is also not required. So patent, we will mostly concentrate on patents. So mostly as required by told by madam. The patent is very important for all of you. So patent basically it is an exclusive right which is granted by the government to the applicant for 20 years. As I told you, patent is granted for inventions. Patents are granted for inventions. So this right has been granted by the government to the applicant for 20 years. Applicant, please understand, not inventor. So you will get right, monopoly right, exclusive right up to 20 years from filing. And definitely you have to disclose your technology to the patent office. You have to disclose all the information, project information to the patent office. So patent basically it is a territorial right. It's not a worldwide right. Okay. Please understand, you can get and apply patent only in India. You will get patent in India. So you want to apply patent in other country, you can file a conventional or PCT application within 1 year. At a time, you cannot get worldwide patent. There is no worldwide patent. There is a one international patent application, you can file that. Okay. So what rights you will get? The applicant will get rights of manufacturing, selling, preventing others, licensing, assigning to the third party, importing, further R&D. So please understand now for patenting, the concept of discovery and invention. Discovery is not patentable. Inventions are patentable. So what is discovery? Discovery means which is already existing, which is already known. So anything which is already known, anything which is already existing can. Okay. So patent will get only for inventions. As I told you, to get patent, it should be an invention. Okay. Now, what is invention? So you will get patent for any product or process. As I told you, any improvement in apparatus, any improvement in process or any method or any device. Okay. Any apparatus, if it is improvement in that, you can get apply for patent, provided it should be new. It should be inventive. It should be having industrial application. So what is new? New means it is not available in prior art, not published, not presented before filing of patent application. What is inventive? Having some technical advancement or economic significance or both. What is technical advancement? For example, in mobile camera, I have this mobile camera. Okay, there is already one camera is available. Now there are 4 cameras. Is it not a technical advancement? Yes. We can say that it is inventive. Somebody has developed this camera, 3rd camera, 4th camera. Somebody will develop 5th camera, like that. So there is some environment. Improvements are there. So if you satisfied all these 3 conditions, you can file patent application, provided it should not fall under the section 3 and 4 of the Act. Last is industrial application. That means it can be manufacturable, reproducible. Okay. Now we will see some important point before filing of patent. Don't publish your work anywhere. Please understand. First analyze whether it can be patented or not, whether it is patentable or not. Many times what is happening, faculties or students, they are publishing in journals. You will lose your novelty. Don't publish such kind of in any kind of journal, otherwise you lose novelty. Don't wait till the invention is fully developed. This is also one of the problems. There is a myth that many people are talking with us that inventions are not completely developed. My products are prototypes are not available. Even prototype models are not available. Please understand, we will not require any model or prototype. Even design filing, or design filing only drawing is required. You have to submit only drawing. Patent filing, you have to submit only project work. Only you have to write down and submit to the patent office. Like you are doing thesis. Okay, you are writing on project work and submit it to the university. Similarly, you have to submit such kind of project in particular format to the patent office. As such, prototype and models are not required. Please understand for patent and designs. When you are filing design patents or design, please file for one patent application for one invention. You cannot file multiple in one patent application. So there are some non-patentable inventions in India. I am just giving brief about like frivolous inventions contrary to well-established natural laws. Some examples: a machine is giving 100% performance. A machine is giving output without input. We cannot grant patent for that. So any inventions against public morality or public order. Examples: method for adulteration of food, method of cloning of human. You cannot get patent on that. Discovery not patentable, as I told you. Mere admixture, no patent. Method of agriculture, no patent. Method of surgery, diagnostic, no patent. Can be granted by office. So you can see the example also. Plant animal, no patent. Mathematical method, business method, algorithm, no patent. Computer program per se, no patent. However, computer program with apparatus device is there. So there are some patents are granted already. So you can see CRI guidelines, computer with some hardware device. So we have issued the CRI guidelines, computer related invention guidelines. You can see that. So literacy, dramatic, musical work, no patent can be granted. Method of playing, all these are coming under the copyrights. Traditional knowledge, no. So all these are patent cannot be granted. These are the brief I am giving overview. Similarly, we cannot grant patent for the substances which are already notified by the Atomic Energy Act. We cannot grant patent on that. So please let us understand the process of filing. So there are various types of application. Please don't confuse. So these are the conventional and PCT if you want to file application in other country. So you must file only ordinary application first. And you can decide later on whether you want to file application in other country. So again, here are two types of applicants. So fees will be divided accordingly. Like inventor himself can applicant file, individual can file, natural person again, 4, 5 people, 10 people can be natural person. So this is the first category. Institute is coming under first category. As I told you, the fees for filing of these will be 1600 rupees only. 1600. Others, it will be 8,000, like industries. So where to file now? So how to select jurisdiction? Suppose applicant is from Maharashtra, Goa, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. So you can file to Mumbai office. If you are from this zone, you can file to Chennai. If you are from north zone, Delhi. Similarly for Kolkata. What are the documents required for filing? Now, basically, if you want to file, first time you are filing, it is advisable you should file provisional patent application along with only 3 forms. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Form number 1, which contains the address of the applicant, who is the applicant, inventor, etc., etc. 3 is about the foreign filing. 2 is important. 2 gives the details about what kind of invention is. What is the invention is. Okay, what are the details of invention? You have to give entire details about the invention. Okay, so you can file form number 1, 2, and 3 only for filing of patent application. Okay, and when you are filing provisional application, those who are the first time filing, please understand you should file provisional patent application, and within 12 months you can file your complete specification. So once you file a form 2, it is very not easy actually. You should have it is a slightly complicated. You should practice on that. That's why I'm telling you, you should go to journals or Google Patents or various websites, how they drafted the form number 2. I will give those who are the faculty, they know, they are the better people. They can write very easily, except claims. Claims are the expertise are required, make practice is required. So, but other things you can do that, like provisional, you can do that. So, Form 2 is very easy for you. Those who are the people who are filing journals or those who are publishing papers. See, this Form 2 is required like title of invention, like field of invention, what is the prior art. Mostly you are doing in your projects. Okay. Then you are giving the drawings, details about the drawing. Then you can write down the details about your invention. You can give the detailed summary of invention, advantages of invention, etc. etc. Then abstract, drawings, claims. So claims are very important. Provisional claims are not required. When you are filing a complete specification, claims are required. Okay. So this Form 2 is slightly complicated. You should take a practice on that. At least 10-20 patents you must practice, and then you can do that filing of patent application. So filing Form 1, 2, and 3 is required, and fees you can pay online also. You can do that, or if you are filing physically, if you are sending by post, then you can prepare DD in favor of control of patents payable at particular location where you are interested to file or from which jurisdiction you are there. Please send by post only. If you are sending, don't by courier. So these are the prerequisites. Then you can file a Form 5 and Form 18, 18A. So Form 18 and 18A, these are the optional form. You can file up to 48 months. That is 4 years. So up to 4 years you can file this. You should take see from the filing date or from priority. 48 months are there, so whichever is earlier. So examination request is there, normal. As I told you, the request for examination, the Form 18 fees will be 4,000 rupees. And if you file expedite examination, Form 18A, okay, it is a Tatkal examination. So there are, nobody can file Tatkal examination. It's not like that anyone can file. So there are prerequisites. You can see the Form 18A who can file. So either government organization, government institute can file, startup can file, MSME can file. And one more important thing for you, that if all individuals are there, natural persons are there, like group of persons, for example, 3-4 persons are there, and one of the applicant is ladies. In that case, you can file expedite examination. So Form 18 fees is 4,000, and if you file expedite, the fees will be 8,000. So it is better if you want early patent, you can file expedite. Now please let us listen. Important thing is there. Those who are the institute or university, the Form 28 is required to get all these concessions. So at the time of filing, you can file Form 28. Okay, if you are institute, name of applicant as a institute, so you should file Form 28 with the evidence that you are the registered institute under the government. That is, some affiliated certificate is there that you have to attach. So this Form 9 is for early publication. If you want early examination or publication, you can do that with a nominal fees of 2,500 for institute and individual. Form 26, if you appoint any patent agent, so again it is an optional one. So basically only documents required is 1, 2, 3, 5, 18. Okay. With this you can file a patent application. 28 also. You can file the application with the 28 form also. These are the basic requirements for filing of all the patent application. You can get all this information from our office website, ipindia.gov.in, and online ip.in. You can file application online. Now I think I should conclude my session and I will take some questions.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, madam.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Before the question answer. Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, madam, audible.
Yeah. So before the question answer session, I just invite Vice Chancellor of IIMT University, Professor Deepa Sharma. She is the chairperson of IP cell of IIMT University. Ma'am.
Good afternoon to all the participants and the dignitaries who are present here from the side of IIMT University. Myself is Dr. Deepa Sharma, and I'm the IPR cell chairperson. And we are working on this cell since last 2 years. And we have been into filing the students and the faculty IPRs, copyright patents, design patents, trademarks also we have. We are registered with the Kapila scheme of the Ministry of Education. And moreover, we have appointed some attorneys and for the filing of IPRs. And we are also facilitating the students and the faculty, like we have formulated one IPR policy. And for the students as well as for the faculty members, there we have given the provision for the different filing options. And if the student and the faculty of IIMT universities, they are they're filing any IPR, then it is sponsored from the side of the university. So this is all about the updates about the to-dos of this cell in the university. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your kind address. Thank you for being here and motivate our IPR cell. For definitely, we are doing much. We are in the process of filing so many types of patents, and recently we have registered in so many international and national rankings in the terms of IPR. So coming to the Dr. Pankaj Borkar, sir. Sir, I have one question, YouTube Live one question I have from Sajia Siddiqui. From Sajia Siddiqui, I have question. Can we extend the date of patent?
Madam, I'm not getting that question. Exchange of the patent, exchange of date of patent. Extend?
Yeah, extend of date of extension of the date of patent.
No. See, 20 years term is there. So after 20 years, you cannot extend the patent.
Okay,
term
sir.
of patent is only 20 years. All over the world, the same term is there, and you cannot extend at all.
Okay, sir. So actually right now we have no more questions, but we have so many positive comments on this IPR workshop, and it's going to be live. And now thank you so much, sir. And further, whatever the material you have shared with us, definitely I can share with all the students of IIMT University, and definitely outside of the IIMT University, because this program has been joined by various of the students of various organizations. In fact, sir, we have registrations, and right now we have one joined student from Africa also, Nigeria also. So it's really very wide publicity program. So I'm just giving my vote of thanks for on behalf of organizing committee of IIMT University IPR cell. I am giving my deep regards and heartily thanks to our Honorable Chancellor, sir, Shri Yogesh Mohanji Gupta, Pro Chancellor Dr. Mayank Agrawal, for their blessings. I'm really very much thankful to Vice Chancellor Professor Deepa Sharma. She is the guiding principle and energy behind all of us. I'm thankful to all the authorities, Dean and Head of the department. And first, and not the last, actually, I'm thankful to the Dr. Pankaj Borkar, who are the chief guest of today's session. And definitely, sir, collaborating with your institution, with this government cell, this definitely give a very benefit to our students of university. And further, whatever the guidelines you have shared with us, I will definitely compile all the documents and reach to you very soon. Thank you so much, sir.
Madam, I think I have shared the this material to you via WhatsApp.
Yes,
you can check it, okay?
Sir,
Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, sir.